Today we'll discuss the answers of the physics part B, that is bit paper answers of TS 10th class physics 2025. I will discuss about the solutions of this particular bit paper. Now the first bit which has come in the board exam paper is, if an object is placed beyond C in front of a concave mirror, then the position of the image is, the right answer is between F and C. Okay, the position of the image is between F and C. Now, clearly, this is a pole, this is a focus, this is center of curvature. Now, if the object is placed beyond C, here the object is placed, first ray is parallel focus, next ray is passing through focus, and even solution also clearly I am explaining. This is. So, image is formed between C. If you want clearly, image is real, inverted, diminished, formed between F and C. Okay, this is a first bit answer is C, and solution is this. And next one is second bit is, in a balanced chemical equation, C3H8 plus XO2 gives rise to YCO2 plus ZH2O was given. The values of X, Y, Z respectively are. Okay, here the reaction is C3H8 plus O2 gives rise to CO2 plus H2O was given. He asked to check the values which are suitable for this. So given X, Y, Z respectively. Now here, how many carbons are there? 3 carbons are there. Then I can keep 3 here to balance carbons. How many hydrogens are there? 8 hydrogens are there. Here how many are there? Only 2. Then I can keep 4. And total how many oxygens you got here? This side 3 2 ja 3 2 ja 6, 4 1 ja 4, 6 plus 4 10. Then to balance that oxygen I have to keep 5. Then here it will become the X value, it will become the Y value, and it will become the Z value. So here it is X, this is Y, and this is Z. This is a second answer, that is here the answer is D. 5 3 4 is a right answer. X is 5, Y is 3, and Z is 4. This is the right answer. I hope you understood these two bits. Now the third question, which gas will evolve when zinc reacts with sulfuric acid? H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. So the gas liberated here it is evolving is hydrogen gas. Now I will show the reaction even. Zn plus H2SO4 gives rise to ZnSO4 plus H2 hydrogen gas. This is solid, this is aqueous, and this is aqueous, this is a gas. Okay, so the gas, which gas will evolve when zinc reacts with H2SO4 means hydrogen gas is the right answer. Here in this third bit, answer is A. Next one, which of the following acts as a variable aperture of light in human eye? The variable aperture, okay, of the human eye is that is a pupil. Right answer is B here. Right answer is B. Here cornea is outermost layer. Okay, it does not have any relation to the variable aperture of light. Okay, and iris gives different colors to the eye. We know that is retina is a part of the eye where the image is going to fall. Understood? So the right answer is a pupil. Okay, please copy these answers. Fifth question, which of the following color has higher wavelength? Think about highest wavelength. The highest wavelength colored light is a red color. Highest wavelength color is a red color. That is the answer is C. Least wavelength is violet. You know that. Okay. Here he asked the highest wavelength. Highest wavelength. Which of the following color has higher wavelength? Nothing but a red color. This is a right answer is a C for this. And next question is, the bond angle in water molecule HOH bond angle is, that is right answer is B, 104 degrees 31 minutes. So this is a B is the right answer for this one is D. Now the seventh question, seventh bit part. Identify the incorrect Lewis dot structure of atom. Helium, unit atomic number is 2, 2 electrons, correct, this is correct only. Okay, correct dot structure. He asked incorrect, this is correct. So this option is not the right one. And argon, last 8 electrons, this is also correct was given. He asked to identify the incorrect one. And C, neon, Last shell 8 electrons is supposed to show 8 electrons, but did not show 8, he has shown only 6 electrons. So this is a incorrect structure. Even go the krypton if you want to check. Krypton last shell 8 electrons are there. So this is a correct structure was there. This is correct, this is correct, this is correct, this is incorrect. Hence C is the right option. Next one, the pH value of distilled water is, no, pH value distilled water, right answer is B, 7. If the pH value is 1, it is acid. If the pH value is 14, it is a strong base, strong acid. It is a weak base. And distilled water pH value is exactly 7 because it contains equal number of H plus and OH minus ions. So hence the pH value of distilled water is 7. This is the right answer. Next one, the problem is, ninth one is a problem. Just to explain the problem, I will erase this seventh bit part. I hope you copied this. Next one, the ninth bit answer. Sir, how we have to identify which one it is? Very simple. Two resistors R1 ohm, 4 ohm are connected in a circuit to get a resultant resistance 2 ohm. Then the value of R1 is, I will tell you the answer. That is R1 value is 4. Sir, how it is, sir? He has given equivalent resistance was given. If you take both the combinations you write, then you will understand. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. This is series. And R 1 by R equivalent resistance is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Or otherwise, you can use one more formula. R equivalent in parallel combination is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. One way is there. Which one you feel easy, you do that one. It's better to go with the first one if you are feeling difficult. No, first you go the series combination, check the answer, which one is right, why it is right. I told C is right, A is right answer. Then, sir, how you got this? R equivalent is how much given? R1 is, R equivalent was given is, the result resistance is 2 ohm was given. That is, if I write substituting this, 2 is equal to R1, I have to find out, plus R2 is how much given? 4 ohm. So, how you will get this? Now, if I bring this one, R1 is equal to, okay, 2 minus 4. So, R1 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is not the, 2 is not the right answer, even though you got minus 2 here. Okay, next one, sir, parallel combination. Sir, parallel combination. How to do this, sir? So that is R equivalent was given. The resultant distance is 1 by 2. R equivalent was given. R1 you have to find out. R1 plus R2 is how much? 4 was given. Then to solve this, I will rub even this also. Then I will solve that particular solution. How you got that solution? Okay. Now 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by 4. Now you bring this one this side. It will become 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by R1. So LCM is how much? 4. 2 will go in 4 2 times minus 1 is equal to 1 by R1. So 1 by R1 is equal to 2 minus 1. 1 you know that 1 by 4. So R1 is equal to how much? 4 ohm. So this is the right answer. 4 ohm is the right answer. Next one, 10th question. Which functional group is present in the given structure? By seeing this, we can identify very easily C double bond O. Okay, it will become a, which functional group is, that is a ketone. So here the right answer is this one, sir. Why this is not, sir? Why not alcohol, sir? Alcohol means you know that bond OH. Aldehyde means bond CHO. Ester means bond COOR, ester. So, which is right answer in this? That is a ketone. The functional group given is, the structure of the functional group given is, that is a ketone. Okay, here it is dimethyl ketone. Okay, that is the name. I hope you all copied all these bit part. Okay, I'm expecting that most of you will get 10 out of 10. Okay, if not, no problem. We can go the biology bit part also. Check. You can check that biology bit part in the coming video, next video. Thank you.